wanted to get on here and do a quick Dollar Tree haul. I just left the Dollar Tree and I wanted to get on here and show you what I picked up. It's just a few things. People are looking at me like I'm crazy right now. So first off, I'm going to start with, I guess this bag here. Okay, so, oh, I didn't mean to get this, but oh well. So I'm doing a organization. I'm organizing my makeup, and I purchased a couple of organization trays and stuff like this. So I saw this one, so I picked this one up. I figured it would mount perfectly on top of my other ones that I purchased last time. So I got that, and then I picked up some more nail polish remover. I probably do not need it, but I'm gonna be doing more tutorials on my nails. Okay, so the next thing is these little scissors. My son and daughter are getting very crafty, so I figured, hey, I can just give them these instead of them using my scissors. Here. Okay. And then also I picked up this notebook. They had different kinds. I think there was like 2 different ones. I didn't mean to get it, but I will use it. And then I also picked up my little one is, I'm in the search for these Daniel Tiger Neighborhood ready to read books. I've been looking for them for a while, and I only found one at my store. I literally was probably in there for an hour straight just looking through the book section. I'm sure the lady was annoyed with me because she was putting stuff out. So I might go to a different Dollar Tree today just to see if they have the other ones, because I saw someone haul, they had different sets of them, and I wanted to pick them up because I have a 5 and a 4-year-old that I want to really get them into reading as soon as possible. So I picked that one up, and I'm glad I found that one. And then for my son, I got his first words book. He's already, I think, at level 4, but you know, it's good when you get them like extra stuff like this that they can work on at home. So I picked that one up, and then I also got him the reading readiness. So they just have like different things that you can read to him and he'll understand. And I also picked up this educational letter workbook. And then for my daughter, I got her the mini numbers and counting. And then also picked up the colors and the shapes. And then the numbers. I probably shouldn't have got that one because I got the numbers already for him, but oh well, you can never have enough educational stuff for your kids, right? Okay, and then also I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial with only Dollar Tree products. I'm sure, like I said before, I'm doing this for you guys because I want to like experiment and see if the makeup's actually pretty good. I think the only thing that I've used is the lip gloss so far. So we will see. I have been having a couple of breakouts, but probably after this I'll probably be like really broken out because my skin is very sensitive, I'm assuming. So I don't know, we'll see. They might be really good. I also picked up this polish remover. It's like a dispenser pump. They have them. I like it just because I don't have to go like this and it won't spill if, you know, I'm doing my nails and the girls are like around me. And then I picked up some of this. You guys know that I've been doing the powder nails and I'm obsessed. I ordered 2 more powders from Wish, because I wanted to do like a comparison to see if they're as good as the actual ones from Sally Beauties. So I will be uploading a video soon, and I like to have my nails very glossy, like glazed, so I picked up another one of these. And then I picked up a couple of more makeup items because I don't think I did have like a foundation. I don't know what this is called. Liquid makeup. So I picked this up in tan, and then I'm sure I have the brow pencil, but this is like the brow tint, so I picked this up in dark brown. And then I also did pick up some tweezers because I needed that, and then some super glue because you could never have enough, in my house at least. And then I picked up these gnomes. I thought they were so cute. Oh, I'm obsessed. I love them. So I picked those two up. I thought they were super cute. I'm obsessed with them. I just don't know where to put them. Broken, or my kids throw them in the pool. Anyways, and last but not least, my son was wanting some blind bags. So I picked them up. I don't think I've ever heard of any of these, but the Transformer one. And these are the different ones you can get. So I picked up that one, and then I got the Minions, and then these are the ones you can get. And then also Hanazuki. I'm not sure if that's being pronounced correct. So I got those, and then I picked up this Steven Universe minis. I don't even think he knows who these people are, but I think he just wanted them because he's been watching the unbagging. So I might put him like in a little box and wrap it up for him and let him open them up. And then the Dragon Ball Z. And these are the ones that you can get. So yeah, guys, okay, that's it. I just wanted to get on here and do a quick haul. I'm gonna update my shop with me. Hopefully I'll have it up by 2 o'clock today. If not, later this evening. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and show you what I got. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any requests on videos, please comment down below and let me know, because I would love to get some up for y'all. So like I said, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.